everyone, I'm MJ. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. A few weeks ago, I figured that we all are so busy in our lives that as much as we want to practice meditation and mindfulness, we somehow never get enough time. We all are stressed, anxious, depressed, yet we find it difficult, almost impossible, to take an hour out to unwind ourselves. Fair enough. So then I thought I should bring forth some quick, enjoyable activities that I myself started off with. In my new series, I will present to you techniques which you can practice daily without having to spend ridiculous amounts of time. As long as you can dedicate 30 seconds a day, I can promise that over time your health will improve by a significant amount. So let's start by answering some of the frequently asked questions. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is a type of meditation that allows us to be fully present in the moment. At the time, we are neither focused on our past nor are we worried about our future. We use all our five senses to fully feel the present moment. Being mindful of the present can help us think positively, which means that we learn to overcome our negative thought patterns and are able to retrain our minds into thinking differently and behaving more positively. What is the best time to practice mindfulness? Each activity can be achieved anytime during the day. However, I strongly recommend that you practice it first thing in the morning, perhaps after freshening up. Following are my reasons. 1. You are alert and there is little to no chance of you falling back asleep. 2. You start your day feeling positive. Don't you think that the probability of your day remaining positive is higher? 3. It is easier to make mindfulness a habit. We tend to get more busy as the day unfolds. If you keep waiting for the right time to practice, chances are you will eventually give it up. 4. Although you are awake, you are still deeply connected to your subconscious and unconscious mind. Hence, it's far more easier for you to retrain your mind and also establish a strong connection with your spiritual self. If there is any other time that works for you, perfect. Just remember that you want to make mindfulness your lifestyle. It should not feel like a chore to you. You should be able to prioritize everything else around your mindfulness practice and not the other way around. You are welcome to try the timings in the beginning, but once you know your best time, try not to fiddle with it. How long should your practice last each day? I recommend starting with 30 seconds if any longer feels like a big deal to you. Once you are more comfortable with your practice and you choose to practice for longer, you can move on to doing activities that will keep your mind busier for longer time. You can even mix and match different techniques. It's all up to you. Do what feels right to you. Remember that everyone is different and what might feel right to others might not really feel right to you. How many days does it take to show the benefits? 90 days. They say that it takes 21 days to form a habit and 90 days to form a lifestyle. Your goal is to make mindfulness your lifestyle. That is, to practice forever. In saying so, if you can consistently practice for 91 days, I bet you will start to see the benefits take shape. How to manage around kids. Having kids around you is even better. All the activities are kids friendly. Your first week could be a little tricky, but once your kids get to know your new routine, they will happily join you. I started practicing around my son. Now, most times, he is happy to accompany me. If your kids learn these techniques now, they will learn it for life. They will not have to relearn mindfulness later in their lives, and they will know how to control their emotions and live their life stress free. You can't give them a better gift than this. Where and how to start? Let's start with finding the right time for you this week. You can choose to say the words, "Today is going to be a great day," if you're practicing in the morning, or "Today has been a great day," if you're practicing later in the day. Whether or not your day has been great, the idea is to retrain your mind into believing it and eventually making it great for you. By the end of the next week, you should have your favorite time figured. You can then move on to practicing some real time activities. Each week for the next few weeks, I will be releasing one new activity. You can decide to stick with your regular ones or introduce the new technique, all up to your convenience. If you have more questions, please comment below so I can address them. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up so I can reach more people around the globe. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn the notification bell on so you get notified when a new technique is released. I will see you next week with a new mindfulness technique. Until then, happy healing. Bye.